Okay, fly to the air tractor with floats on it. Got it all dolled up and ready to go. Put this on my hat. Do some hat camming with the new air tractor. Plug the battery in, pops up, power off. Okay, ready to do some snow ops. Had to, as you can see, I had to put the battery clear up in the nose to get it to balance with a 4-cell Admiral 2200. Next thing I need to do is try it with a 3200. I won't have to stick it in so far up in the nose. Second flight of the air tractor with floats. Okay, pretty nice day. It's up in the 40s, hardly any wind. Perfect day for the second test flight on the air tractor on my dolled up floats. Up, down, left, right, right bank, left bank, power, and we're off. Yeah, a couple clicks of down would do. And round we go. Come back in and make another low pass. Yeah, it's CG come out about right. Had to move that battery plumb forward. What a nice plane to fly. Snow ops with the air tractor. Getting used to flying it with the floats. One nice airplane, Tino. That thing is a blast. A little power, keep it from stalling. Yeah, she likes to stall with those floats on it a little quicker. But I like it. I can't wait to fly this off a canyon lake, man. You know what I mean? That'd be frickin' cool.
Don't hit the bridge.
Yeah, don't hit the bridge like them other guys. Cool. I like making those low passes, just like I'm salting the snow to make it go away. I got salt rock loaded in the hopper. Oh, here comes my brother. Yeah, we're gonna come in and make another salt drop. We're salting the snow. Make it disappear so we can get out some other airplanes. Boy, this thing flies nice on them floats. There goes my brother again. Boy, you quit flying by me. I'm taking my eyes off of my airplane. I've been taking my eyes off my fries. This fricker is cool.
Hey, I'm coming in behind you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Yeah, no, yeah, I'm trying to hat cam you. That's why I went ahead and got way up there. I better quit doing that. I'll lose my airplane.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
Okay, we're gonna dive in and make another. Okay, we'll open the hopper and we're dumping salt on the snow. See the salt come out? We'll make a path for my PT-17. Tomorrow we can come down and the salt will melt the snow. Actually, I like it. I like flying this.
I need my windshield clean.
Actually, I like flying this with the floats on it better than I like flying it with the wheels.
See, that's dead throttle, Dino.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't even used any flaps yet. Such a nice day. You can imagine how slow this thing would fly with the flaps down.
Yeah, I'll fly by out here.
You're okay. Just come right in behind me.
I gotta land out here. Yeah, I got no problem.
Yeah.
Spring's here. The geese were going north this morning. That's just a little aileron with the rudder.
Flare level, I got to hold just a little down elevator. We got about a minute left to 42 seconds. That makes a 5-minute flight. You couldn't ask for a nicer day.
I might just pull that Ranger out, yeah.
One more flyby. One more. Yeah, open the hopper, dump some ice. Or not ice, salt. Okay. Landing, rapid tower, air tractor 202 ready for landing. Air tractor 402, you're cleared for runway 14. Yeah, it's a 402. That's what this is, the 402. The number, the 402, is the size of the hopper. 402 gallons.
Throw the anchor.
Yep, up elevator, perfect. One more on the record. That thing is cool. Now let's see if I can taxi her back in here. Full up elevator. There we go. That's a 5, just, yeah, right at 5 minutes again. Hat camming with the Wildman air tractor 402. One nice airplane. The Wildman craft.